Ever stood in a supermarket aisle holding two bottles of the same product, but one's costs around 7 ringgit 10 cent and the other one is 9 ringgit 90 cent? You turn them around, squinting out at the labels, trying to figure out what makes them different. And after a few moments, you just sigh and pick one, hoping you made the right choice. Now imagine doing that for every item on your grocery list. That's not just tiring, it's stressful, confusing, and costly. This simple everyday moment is what inspired my team and I to create something that could make life a little easier for all of us. We call it SavePal. So, your smart shopping buddy that helps you compare prices, find the best deals, you can save money effortlessly. Okay, what was the problem and why we think out the SavePal? When prices don't make sense. Let's face it, prices today are unpredictable. The same brand of hand soap can cost 7 ringgit 10 cent in Guardian and 7 ringgit 90 cent in Lotus and 9 ringgit 90 cent in Aeon. That's almost a 3 ringgit differences for the exact same product. Now, for some people, they may seem small, but for families trying to manage weekly groceries or students living on a tight budget, those few ringgit can add up fast. The reality is that we don't have one reliable place to check and compare prices across supermarkets. So what do? We drive from mall to mall, open multiple apps or just guess. And this problem doesn't just affect convenience, it affects equality. Poor families often miss out on discounts simply because they don't know where they are happening. They end up paying more for essentials, while those with time or better access pay less. That's not fair, and that's where SavePal comes in. The spark why we built SavePal. When my team started brainstorming ideas for our digital skills and services project and for creativity and innovation project also, one question guided us. How can we make technology solve a real everyday problem? We didn't want to build just another app. We wanted to build something that helps people, especially those trying to stretch every ringgit to live smarter. That's how SavePal was born. A simple, intelligent, user-friendly platform that gives everyone access to real-time supermarket prices. It's not just about saving money, it's about saving effort, time and stress. Okay, let me introduce SavePal. So what exactly is SavePal? Imagine standing in a store, scanning a product barcode and instantly seeing which nearby supermarket sells it cheaper. Imagine getting a notification saying, "Hey Nityasri, the shampoo you usually buy just went on sale at Lotus for 20% off." That's what SavePal does. It helps you compare prices across multiple stores, track discounts in real time and receive personalized reminders based on what you usually buy. Our motto is simple: compare, save, smile. Because we believe shopping should make people happy, not stressed. Who is it for? SavePal was designed with real people in mind. Our primary users are housewives who plan and manage daily household expenses, working adults who barely have time to compare prices while judging work and life. And then the third one is students who live on limited allowance and need to make every ringgit count. Then there are secondary uses like elderly people living alone, personal assistants, or parents shopping for their families. And finally, tertiary users, supermarkets and advertisers who can share data and reach customers through SavePal. SavePal isn't just a product, it's a small step toward financially inclusively. It's about giving everyone, no matter their age or income, the ability to make smarter choices. How it works? Okay, now you might be wondering, how does it actually work? So we found an app that we can use in a phone, and also a machine or counter like an ATM machine that we can put in common places like apartments, flats, so everyone can check their prices before they leave to buy groceries, and then can use phone to check the prices. So for the mobile apps and also in the counter, a mobile application for Android and iOS, AI barcode scanning using Google's ML Kit, GPS location services to recommend the cheapest nearby stores, a cloud database, Firebase that updates product prices in real time, and push notification that alert users when discounts are about to explode. All this happens seamlessly in the background, so users get updated information without doing any extra work. In simple terms, you search SavePal, compare, and you save. What makes SavePal different? There are plenty of shopping apps out there, but most of them are single supermarkets. SavePal is different. It's independent. It doesn't favor any one brand or chain. Instead, it compares across all of them: Lotus, Giant, Aeon, Mart, and more. Our 5 core strengths are cross-brand transparency, hyperlocal recommendations and discount countdowns, barcode scanning, and smarter list notification. It's like having a personal assistant that's always hunting for the best deal. Expect this one lives in your pocket and never slips. Though roadblocks our challenges. Our first challenges was getting data from the supermarket. Most of them don't easily share and pricing information, so we had to design a system that could collect, update, and verify prices quickly, while also planning partnership with major retailers. Our second challenge was internet accessibility. In rural areas, many people still have slow or unstable connections. So we built offline caching, letting users save price data, access it later even without the internet. And finally, changing users' behavior. People are used to their old shopping habits. Every obstacle taught us something, that innovation isn't just about technology, it's about understanding people. The impact of SavePal. Economically, SavePal helps people spend wisely. By comparing prices before buying, consumers can save hundreds of ringgit a year. It's also encouraged fair competition among supermarkets, keeping prices honest and transparent. Socially, it supports those who need it most: low income families, students, and elderly individuals, giving them the same access to information that wealthier shoppers have. Environmentally, SavePal reduces waste when users plan their shopping better. They avoid overbuying or duplicate purchase. That means less wasted food, packaging, and resources. One day we hope to include green shopping options like highlighting locally sourced or low carbon products, because saving money shouldn't come at the cost of the planet. Looking ahead, the future of SavePal. SavePal is still a growing project, but our vision is ambitious. In the future, SavePal will become a personalized smart shopping advisor powered by AI that learns your preference and predicts your needs. We plan to introduce augmented reality AR so users can visualize product or prices through their camera in real time, and we want to expand beyond Malaysia to become the go-to price comparison app across the Southeast Asia, because the desire to save smartly isn't just local, it's a universal. Behind the idea, SavePal was built by a group of university students, ordinary people, like we have to create something. So for the closing, it's just not an app, it's the more than an app. So what is SavePal really about? It's about empowerment, giving people the power to make informed choices. It's about fairness, ensuring that everyone, rich or poor, gets the same access to information. And it's about hope, the hope that technology can make sure our everyday lives just a little better. Imagine a world where every shopper in every corner of Malaysia can shop smart, save money, and live better. That's the world SavePal dreams of creating. So the next time you walk into a store and find yourself wondering which price is fair, remember you don't have the guess anymore. Just open SavePal. Because when you compare, you save, and when you save, you smile. Thank you.